helmet smashed. Glory and fame, blood is our name. Souls full of thunder, hearts of steel. Killers of men, a warrior's friend. Sworn to avenge our fallen brothers to the end. One day too, I may fall. I will enter Odin's hall. I will die, sword in hand. My name and my deeds will scorch the land. Glory and fame, blood is our name. Souls full of thunder, hearts of steel. Killers of men, a warrior's friend. Sworn to avenge our fallen brothers. Sons of the gods, today we shall die. Open Valhalla's door. Let the battle begin with swords in the wind. Hail, gods of war! Sons of Odin we four, by the hammer of Thor, ride down from the sky. Another is born, another shall fall. This day men will die. Glory and fame, blood is our name. Souls full of thunder, hearts of steel. Killers of men, a warrior's friend. Sworn to avenge our fallen brothers. Sons of the gods, today we shall die. Open Valhalla's door. Let the battle begin with swords in the wind. Hail, gods of war! Sons of the gods, today we shall die. Open Valhalla's door. Let the battle begin with swords in the wind. Hail, gods of war! Let the battle begin with swords in the wind. Hail, gods of war!
Onward into the heart of the battle fought the sons of Odin. Outnumbered many times, still they fought on. Blood poured forth from their wounds deep into the earth. Vultures waited for the broken shells that once were bodies. But Odin alone would choose the day they would enter Valhalla. And in their hour of need, he sent forth unto them the Berserker Rage. Now, gods and men, they rose up from the ground, screaming like wild animals. Such is the gift